The only good thing happened here is he's carrying my bag. 12:30 and the bus still coming. So it's only 2 hours and 30 minutes. Not a big deal though. Very bad going at National Food Village, Sirajganj. Good morning from Kushtia, Gazipur. So it's almost midnight right now, and the area is not as much as quiet as I thought. Though most of the people are sleeping, I guess. And today I'm leaving my bike for the cold and heading towards Kushtia by bus. The bus schedule is at 11:30 p.m. Let's see when the bus comes. And one of my cousins is waiting for me, so let's go there. Things actually doesn't go as we planned most of the time, and today I had planned to take the bus just from in front of my home, but I found out that the bus is stuck in traffic, so it will take more another 1 hour, then I can get the bus. So as a result, I come to Chandra and straight going to the bus counter, and from there I will take the bus. So let's see how long it takes actually. And here, as it's Thursday, a lot of people in this place, and this is the the opening half for the west and eastern part of Bangladesh. So as you can see, a lot of people. It's 11:15 p.m. right now, but a lot of people are gathering here to take their bus. And as I told earlier, one of my cousins is waiting for me at the bus counter, so I'm going to grab him right now. Let's see where he is. Okay, the traffic situation is a little bit improved in Chandra because of this divider. Actually, previously when there was no divider, the local buses were used to block the road totally. So as a result, no inter-Jilla buses are able to cross this place before 1 hour. But now it's fast, and it actually speed up the transition of these places. See, here all the inter-Jilla buses are going, and a lot of people. It's like it's before the Eid. So previously I did not take the bus from Chandra. Usually I travel from in front of my home, but this time I had to come to Chandra. By the way, a lot of buses. And here you can see the people, how many they are. And there's the Chandra bus terminal, from where inter-Jilla buses are lifted. The bus actually comes from Dhaka, then it actually goes to its destination. So that's the thing. So I have to find the SB Super Deluxe counter. I think I'm almost there. Let's see. But here the density of people is too high. Everyone just pushing, and I think the place. Okay, sorry. Okay, that's the SB Super Deluxe Chandra counter. কিরে তুই এখানে জায়গা নাই, ওইদিকে দাঁড়ায় থাকাই উচিত ছিল। So the bus will take a bit longer, so we are taking a side. We're going somewhere else as this area is mass dense right now. So better to leave this area for a certain time. When the bus will come, then we will back here again, and I will try to find some tea or coffee. So the bus will take another more, maybe 40 to 45 minutes, and I called the supervisor and it is still stuck in Baipal traffic. So I don't know when the bus will come. Already 1 hour gone. The schedule was in 11 p.m. It's almost 12 a.m. right now. So I usually don't take coffee or tea during the journey, but Tanmoy, he was wondering to have coffee or tea, but hopefully we got a tea. Actually, there is a reason why I don't take coffee or tea during the journey. So actually, when you take coffee, it actually caffeine, and caffeine melts down your vitamin as early as it can. As a result, you will have pressure of pee, so which is during the journey uncomfortable. So try to avoid tea or coffee during the journey. So that's the thing. So people say things doesn't go as we plan all the time, but for me it's never goes as I plan. So it's 1 a.m. right now, and on that time I should have sleep inside the bus, but we're waiting for over 1 hour right now, and the bus is still on the way, stuck in traffic, probably in DEPZ area where the Ashulia Elevated Expressway construction work is going on, and for this reason I think there is a huge traffic, and I called the supervisor and they are still there. So I don't know when it will come, maybe around 1:30 or 2 a.m. and I don't know when we will reach Kushtia. So let's see. The only good thing happened here is I got a companion, Tanmoy, he's my cousin, and the best thing is he's carrying my bag. Otherwise, and we're actually doing pretty gossiping, and the time is flying for it, so hopefully it's going to be good. So these people are not sleep at night, like the hawkers who sell eggs and other stuff. They don't sleep at night. Local কোথায় যায়? দিনাজপুর ইতিহাস। So it's 12:30 and the bus still coming. It's already 1 hour and 30 minutes. We are waiting and waiting. তো তোর কেমন ফিল হচ্ছে যে ওয়েট করতেছিস? So actually for this reason I always prefer bike when I need to go home. See, I'm waiting more than 1.5 hours, but the bus is still stuck in DEPZ. So that's actually not their guilt. It's actually our fate. Traffic is is our fate as we are Bangladeshi, so we cannot do over it. But situation, things should change after a certain time. So I don't know when it will be happen, but that's the thing. It's a sad part. On that time we should cover almost the halfway of the journey, but still we're waiting at the bus counter and the bus is not coming. So and my cousin. So the thing is, if you have bike, you have wings. You don't have to wait for the bus, or nor you have to stuck in traffic. So that's the advantage of having bike. So the bus finally came, and okay, E4 tour. Well, so it's only 2 hours and 30 minutes. Not a big deal, though. They had nothing to do with it actually the traffic, so it was actually in our fate. So it's 1:14 right now. I don't know how long it will take to reach Kushtia. Now it's time to sleep. And finally it's started. So a few times back I was feeling dizzy a little bit. I mean I was feeling sleepy, but now it feels like suddenly a refreshment come, and I don't need to sleep at all. Koi tui, ai. So it's very bad going actually. I can't sleep because of the seat. It was not comfortable actually. So and now we have a break at National Food Village, Sirajganj, as you can see behind me. So now I think we will have some small snacks here, then we will resume our journey. So let's go. What can we have here? So the thing is, as you can see, a lot of people here. The burger, I don't know how long they store it. Pizza 60, beef burger 130, chicken 150, KFC. I don't know why the price is they're written very low, and here you will have all types of sweets people are buying. I thought inside the bus the cold will be hard, but it not as it seems to be. And as per someone's recommendation, I took a blanket and became a fool actually, which actually not needed at all. But I took the blanket that I may have during the journey, but which is useless right now. Here is a lot of shops from where you can buy so many stuff like gamsa, lungi, napkin. They're selling rumals, and gamsa from Sirajganj is pretty good, used a lot. And here is a lot of shops from where you can have anything, whatever you want. I needed to buy some chocolate, but I don't know what they're selling here. I will not take any of those. And here is some food shop, and hopefully these are not cheap. Okay, that's all. That's all the things they are selling here. So I guess inside the bus the temperature was around 16 or 15 degree. Now when we came out, it drops to 11 or 12, I think, and that is why I'm feeling pretty cold right now, and it's really cold. So we're entering the Garib portion of this food village. If you go to the upper deck, then it will be little expensive. So the break is over. Now we have to return to the bus. Usually I don't take much food during the journey because it actually gets you in trouble. Now it's time to return the bus. Hopefully most of our passengers already get into the bus. Now it's our time, and this is the bus. Okay. Good morning from Kushtia, Gazipur. We just land here at 6:15 a.m. and it's 6:20. So the journey was not so good, not so bad, just average. And now we will have some food, hopefully, then we will heading towards our home. So we took a auto rickshaw. Let's go.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know.